Now, this is how you can invert the colors of a video in a Capcut. Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so in order to change the colors of your video in any way that you want, you can select the clip in the timeline below, click on adjust like that, and then go to the HSL, right? So when you click on there, you'll be able to just manage the hue, saturation, and lightness of all the 8 individual colors from which every color of the clip is like generated, if that makes sense, right? But the point is that you can grab the hue slider and basically change it for all of the colors that you want. And this will inevitably like invert them and make them look a lot different, right? So it depends on the clip and depends on the actual like photos that you want, but this is like the way to change the colors and change it to a different one, right? So using this slider, you can add so many effects and it's just most definitely going to get the job done for you if you do it right or if you know what you're doing. Keep in mind, however, that you can also go to the effects panel within the Capcut where you'll be able to find so many cool effects for your video, like all of these like slow motion or like changing, flashing, whatever you go with. But these will most definitely also let you change the colors and also make the video look a little bit different, right? So it kind of depends on what exactly you're going after, but this is how you can change and invert the individual colors. So that would be about it from me. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.